Jeff Kaplan left Blizzard. Real? Whoa, actually real. What the fuck? Overwatch director Jeff Kaplan leaves Blizzard Entertainment. Greetings, Overwatch community. I'm leaving Blizzard Entertainment, and it was truly the honor of a lifetime to have the opportunity to create. But I want to say a special thanks. But why? Sage, dude.
Did you see Jeff left Blizzard? I saw people were talking about it. Yeah, I have no idea what, why or when or what. I'll probably look into it into the queue. Is leaving Blizzard after nearly 20 years with the company. Overwatch 2 development would continue with assist game developer Aaron Keller. Why? Why would he leave? Jeff, why would you leave? Why? Why would you do this? Let's remember him found for the joy he brought to us, not to mention all the songs made from his videos. What is this?
Let's go, chat.
Welcome to Junkertown.
I'm ready.
Prepare your defenses. Select your hero.
Do you see the news?
No, what's the news?
Apparently, I mean, according to the Overwatch website, Jeff Kaplan's leaving the team.
No
Blizzard,
way.
leaving Blizzard. Yeah.
Stop. That's not true.
I just went to the website because I saw somebody saying it, and then I went there and I went to the news section, and they're saying, yeah, Jeff's leaving Blizzard.
No, no, that's not funny. That's not funny. No way.
I'm serious. I'm looking right
Where's
now.
he going?
I mean, my guess. Either he's just, I don't know. He could go to the. No, it's not. Yeah. I just looked it up too. I was like, oh yeah, and then I just looked at.
Jeff posted a letter that he's leaving the Blizzard community. Wait, what?
I'm just on the feed train.
Are you serious? No fucking way.
Did I see what you guys were saying? It's true. Today was supposed to be a good day. Today was supposed to be a good day. Not a bad day.
Dub is terrible.
I play mostly Doomfist and Genji, but will occasionally flex to other heroes. I play professionally for the Philadelphia Fusion. I was also the community lead for the 2018 World Cup for my country.
Wait, Jeff is actually leaving?
Can you bubble when I jump?
Wait, that's not troll?
Wait.
Wait, Jeff Kaplan TTS.
Go now, go now. Bubble?
We like to do some trolling.
Move away from his tanks because they don't have Reinhardt.
They have a Sig. What? What? Wait, Jeff Kaplan is leaving Overwatch? Dude, you're joking, right? Where was this announced? What? Why must good things always disappear? 2013 to 2021. Jeff Kaplan. I'm kidding. What? So Jeff Kaplan is leaving Overwatch. Jeff Kaplan is leaving Overwatch, chat. Why must this happen? Wait, that's the wrong one. So Jeff Kaplan is leaving Overwatch, so why must this happen? That's unfortunate. No. Dude, he was actually the only dev that I liked a lot.